Hey everyone, Josh here, Explore Oz. I get a few questions every week regarding my car and things I've put on it, all the accessories I use and whatnot. So I thought I'd come out here today and make a quick little video, do a run around on the car and show you everything I use and everything I've done to it. Then everyone can just watch this video and get all the information they want. Let's have a look. So the Ranger, it's a 2015 PX Ranger XLT. 3.2 litre turbo diesel, and I've got the automatic. Automatic is only a little bit more expensive. First automatic I've ever owned, and I don't think it'll be the last. I'm pretty happy with auto, so much better. So I'll start on the outside of the car. I'll start from the top, roof racks, work my way down, then we'll have a look on the inside, in the tray area, underneath, have a good look at everything. So I'll go to the top first. So for roof storage, I'm running all Rhino rack gear. I've got a tradie platform mounted on top of my canopy, and on top of the cab I'm just running the single roof racks. Mounted to the tradie platform, I have a high lift jack holder and a shovel holder, and on the opposite side holds my awning, which is 2 meters by 2.5 meters. On the front of the car, I'm running TJM's T13 Outback bull bar with 50mm tubing. This holds my Dominator winch and also my 4-drive Supercenter spotlights and light bar, and also holds my UHF antenna. The front grille on the car I just purchased off eBay. For my snorkel, I just went with the TJM AirTech. So down the side of the car, I'm running the TJM side steps and sidebars, 50mm tubing as well to tie in with the front bull bar. Also down the side of the car are my flares, front and rear. They're TJM branded as well, giving me about an extra 50mm of coverage to fit the more aggressive offset and wider tyres. Moving on to my wheels and tyres, I've got Nitto trail grapplers in a 315 75 16, which is pretty much a 35-inch tyre. And I've got them fitted to 16x8 Black Sun Rangers with a positive 20 offset. At the back of the car, I swapped out the standard chrome rear bumper for an Ironman rear bar, which keeps the reverse sensors as well. Canopy that I'm running is an Aero Class canopy. Gives me access from all 3 sides with the lift up windows. It makes it really easy to lock up all my gear. Inside the tub area, I kept things pretty simple. I've gone with a set of Titan rear drawers. Down next to them I've mounted my dual battery box, and I also made my own side wings for the drawers and added some extra storage. Moving underneath my car to my suspension setup, I'm running the Dobinson's remote reservoir struts with Dobinson's HD coils. I've also got a 10mm strut spacer thrown in, giving me about 3 inches of lift all up. I also upgraded to Cal-off-road upper control arms to help get the camber right. I then went and installed a bolt-in diff drop kit just to help with the CV angles. Down the back end of the car with the suspension setup, I've kept with the Dobinson's brand. I've got some 500 kilogram constant load leafs. I've got the remote reservoir shocks, And then I've also got some PSR 1-inch extended shackles as well. Underneath the bonnet of the car, there's not a whole lot to speak about. The only things I've done is I've put on a 3-inch straight through exhaust system, and I also installed a transmission oil cooler kit to help with the gearbox temps. The interior of the car is pretty standard. There's only a few things in here worth a mention. That'd be the scan gauge 2 unit, my 80 channel Uniden UHF, and also a Legend X throttle controller. So that's a quick little rundown of the rig for you. If you haven't already, give this video a like, click that subscribe button. See you in the next video.